Hi, I'm Alison Bailey. I'm a nurse practitioner with Norton Shelbyville Family Practice. I actually am just starting there, but I have been working for Norton for the last 3 years with maternal-fetal medicine, so I'm transferring in to a new position. A nurse practitioner is a nurse who's gone on to higher education and has decided to practice medicine. We can actually be providers and take care of patients just as a physician does. We do collaborate with physicians and we go to them when we have questions, but we can take care of patients just as good as the rest of them. I like my patients to be treated the way I would like to be treated, and I want to treat my patients as I would want my family to be treated. I want them to be taken care of and the best for them. I started my journey in Indiana, and I married an Army guy back in the 1990s. We headed out to Germany for 3 years, and then we got back to Cincinnati area, and there is when I went through my nursing program and went to the University of Cincinnati and graduated in 2009 with my master's in women's health. And after we were in Cincinnati, we moved to Michigan for 8 years, and then after he retired, we decided to move closer to home, so we landed in Louisville. We now live in Shelbyville, and about 2 years ago, I decided to go back for my family practice. And in May, I graduated from Northern Kentucky University with a family practice nurse practitioner certification. I love watching my kids' athletic events. We have 2 older kids, but our youngest one is still at home, so I'm a football mom, a baseball mom, all sorts of events. We take care of our little mini farm. We have horses and chickens and pets, and I like to shop.